How to delete Instagram account history. So if you want to delete all of your history of your Instagram account, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Now let's get into the video. So right now I'm at the home page of Instagram, from where you'll be able to explore the various posts and feeds. So in the first step, just tap over your profile at the right bottom corner. And here just tap over the 3-bar horizontal line at the right upper corner, and here is your activity option. You just have to go for that. And if you scroll down to the bottom, here is account history option. Just go for account history and all of your history of your account. That includes your privacy settings, how many times you have changed your account from private to public or public to private, and how many times you have changed your bio, username, and all the things will be available in this section. So if you tap over the individual history, then you will be taken to this settings, but unfortunately you won't be able to delete the history of your accounts. Some of the people on YouTube may say you that you can delete the account history, but the real thing is you can't delete the history of your account, because these are the things that builds your Instagram account, so you won't be able to delete it. So this is the thing. So I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.